Welcome, dear students. Today, let us study how to make a word card. It's an activity in the 10th standard English textbook. Now, you may listen to sample 1. Word foolish. Category adjective. Synonyms silly, stupid, idiotic, witless. Antonym wise. Sentence using the word or synonyms. It is foolish to trust strangers. Children often cry for silly things. Sentence using the antonym. The myna is wise enough to keep away from the cobra. An activity with the word. Make meaningful words by suffixing or prefixing the word. Example, foolishness, foolishly. Now watch another sample word card.